Hi, I'm Roy and welcome to Roy's Random Recipes. I've always loved cooking, but it's become a real passion for me. It relaxes me, especially when you combine it with one of these, a gin and tonic. I'm going to cook for you my favourite recipes from around the world. I've been fortunate to have travelled to many different countries and experienced the delicious food of so many different cultures. From the myriad of street food in Southeast Asia to the succulent steaks of South Africa, char-grilled meat in South America, barbecues in Australia, fast food in the US, beautiful succulent Mediterranean seafood, and of course not forgetting British classics. I'll show you how to make the best roast potatoes on this planet. I'll also pick a new recipe randomly at the end of each video. Cheers. Hello. Today I'm going to be cooking Thai pork basil, or as they say in Thailand, mu pad Kaphrao. Very simple, very spicy, delicious. Okay, let's run through the ingredients for you. We need some good quality oil for frying. I've got pork mince, which is 5% fat, Kaffir lime leaves, which are dried, a bunch of basil, the French beans, or green beans as they call it. I've got some homegrown chillies here, some garlic, lime, pepper, fish sauce, soy sauce, and use an onion. We put this into a pestle and mortar, and then we give it a great pounding. Okay, so I've ground that down a little bit. There we go. You get that pungent smell, the smell that you get from the streets or in the restaurants where you order this. Very strong, very reminiscent of Thai street food. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, let's start with the cooking then. So we need some oil in the pan. Don't forget you're going to get some oil from the pork as well. Let's put the gas on, heat that up. And this is the onion, which, as I said, they don't have this in the dish in Thailand, but I like it. While we're waiting for the onions to cook a little bit, I'm going to top and tail the beans. So I've just showed you what I've done with two. Okay, I'm going to just cut the beans into little pieces, a centimetre. Also going to prepare the basil. You don't want the stalks, all you want is the leaves. You don't need to wash these because they're going to get absolutely red hot in the dish. And just pull the leaves off. There we go, we don't want those big stalks. Time for a little slurp. Right, the onions are now soft, a bit brown at the edges. So I now put in the garlic and chilli mixture. This one I normally start sneezing. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in there because it seems a bit dry, just a tiny bit dry. There we go. I'll mix that all together, and I'm now going to put the pork in. I always just sort of cook the pork separately in the pan, you know, just habit. doesn't take long to cook. And then add in onion, garlic, chili mix. Right. Gas is a bit fierce, I'll turn that down. Now, here we go with the other ingredients. Some pepper. Some soy sauce. That gives it the saltiness. Fish sauce. Probably put a bit more of that in, but I've run out. Lime. Kaffir lime leaves. Give it a stir. There we go. Lid on and cook it for around about 10 minutes. Right, that's been cooking for around 10 minutes. Oh, the smell. You can smell the kaffir lime leaves. I've got the smell of Thailand now. There we go. And I'm now going to put in the beans. They will need quite a bit of cooking because they're quite hard. Oh, it depends how you like them. Some people like them soft. Some people like them fairly hard. You know what I mean? There we go. Bit of those kaffir lime leaves. Gorgeous flavour. Gorgeous. Right. Let's leave that. Put the lid back on. So there we go. The lovely smell of Thai street food. But we've got one last thing to add. And I said to you that this is called Mu Pad Kaphrao, or I call it Thai Pork Basil. Here's the basil. In Thailand, this is the Kaphrao. Kaphrao. There we go. Cover that up. Just let that sweat down a little bit, and then we'll be finished. There we go, just a few minutes. Oh, the smell from that is absolutely amazing. Beautiful. It's finished. Put it in a bowl here. You could add a few more red chillies now if you wanted to. There. Thai food, but a little bit of rice. There we have it. Delicious. Okay, finally, what I'm doing is I've put into my mixing bowl a selection of recipes. Okay, I'll prove to you in a minute that they are all different. And let's go for, let's see what we pick out. There we go. What's that one? Ah, good one. Lasagna. Lasagna. That's my next recipe. And just to prove to you that they're different, I'll pick out another one. Oh, that's a good one as well. Kaphrao. Another one. What's this one? Smoked mackerel patty. Okay. So I'm not going to open them all. It'll take me all day long. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share and subscribe to receive more videos so that you can discover hundreds of delicious recipes from around the world. Bye for now.